Hello, little friends. How are you? Today we are going to draw Mommy. She will be very pretty. Let's draw her head first. Then, let's draw Mommy's hair. Mommy's hair is very pretty. Very good. Now let's draw Mommy's eyes. We draw one and then the other. Next, let's draw the eyebrows. Now draw Mommy's nose. Very good. Now let's draw Mommy's mouth. She is smiling and happy. Now we start drawing Mommy's neck and then her arm. We also draw her hand, her fingers, let's draw the other arm and also the other hand, her other fingers, now let's draw Mommy's body. She's wearing a pretty dress. Now let's draw Mommy's leg and Mommy's foot too. She is wearing a shoe. Let's draw the other leg. And the other shoe too. Your Mommy looks very beautiful. Congratulations. In the next video we will color Mommy. Bye.